Hey friends, if you wish to completely uninstall OneDrive in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, here's the thing. Here's what we have to do. First of all, search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar and click on uninstall corresponding to it. Okay, we'll search for it once again. And then we will click on these three dots here and select uninstall. And we will remove it. Once OneDrive is uninstalled, you can search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of the boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.